How to log in into Appfolio. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Appfolio account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step is search for Appfolio. So if you do not know what Appfolio is, it is a service based software which allows you to manage your real estate businesses and your entire portfolio. So after you search for Appfolio, you can open that up, and right here this is the initial website. What you can do is tap on the login option on the top right. After you hover over login, you will see different options. Now whatever you want to do, if you want to manage your property, if you want to manage your investments and the following, you can just tap on whatever you want. I'll just tap on investment management. So let me do that again. Investment manager, log in, and after I do that, I will now be able to log in into my account. So there you can see, simply type in your email address here and then your password, and then tap on sign in, and you're basically good to go. And that's basically how you log in into Appfolio, guys. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.